Well, hey guys, if you're looking for a budget fan for your shop or your garage or just to cool everything off, this is a great one for you. I really like this one. It's super easy to put together. It's just a few pieces. You just screw a few things in. Has a brace down here at the bottom, which is nice. Going to keep it nice and sturdy. Also has a couple wheels, so you can move it pretty easily right there. And then you just have these two little screws right here on the sides that just kind of holds it all together. You do have a couple handles, so you can move this around wherever you want to. It's not too heavy. So it's not too heavy, so it's not too bad. On the back side here, you have different settings, 1, 2, and 3. So again, 1 is real light, 2 is a little bit medium, and 3 is pretty heavy. So it's a great option, again, I think for any garage or a gym or just for your house, whatever you're gonna be using it for. It's a really cool design. And again, I like it, it's heavy metal, so it's not gonna be breaking or any kind of thing like that. So I think it's a really cool option, but I wanna show you a couple more of the features. So I want to show you a little closer up of just the settings on the back. Again, you can go whether that's the 1, 2, and 3 on the side, or if you want to go back the other way, you got a 3, 2, and 1. So you can see once you turn on the 3, then it will get going really fast. It is kind of hard. The camera can't actually pick it up, so it makes it look slow. But you can see it's really fast and also pretty heavy duty on the speeds right there. But again, it has 3 different ones, so if you just want a light breeze, you can do that with 1, middle breeze, you can do that with 2, and then also the heavy duty with 3. I do like these handles, they're really easy to move it, and then like I said, again, it even rolls really well too. So again, if you want to move it somewhere, you can easily do that. It's not super heavy where you can't roll it. And you can see all the specs for it on the listings right here, but I did want to show you guys this does tilt back and forth. So if you want to blow something or if you want to cool something off, you can move it all around and do different things. I did want to show you guys just a little bit of the speed and the strength. It is very wet out here, so these leaves are very wet. So this is the first setting. You can see some of the leaves are beginning to move. Second setting, these leaves are starting to move and shake pretty good. So again, that's kind of the middle setting. And then once you turn it to the third, you can see a lot of these moving around and it's starting to move some of the leaves and different things. It even is blowing bushes and other stuff all around here. And so I wanted just to kind of show you guys that, just to kind of show you some of what it does. You see right here, just showing you guys, again, when the wind blows, it will pick up and move these leaves really well. So it's a pretty heavy duty fan. I think there's so many different options for it, so many different features. You can use it in your shop, in your garage, in a gym, or just to dry stuff off, or anywhere you want to use this. I think it's a great option for that. I've used it to cool off my garage and also just to kind of get stuff dry out in the area right outside my garage and my shop as well. So if you're looking for some type of fan to cool things off, or again just to use, I think this is a great one. We're super excited about this, especially when the summer comes around, be able to cool everything off, or just to kind of circulate some air through our shop as well. So overall, I think it's great. Highly recommend that you check this item out.